What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is finally here. Tesla announced that the new Model Y L is coming to the US. Now, that comes with a couple caveats, and of course, the first one is this is only the launch edition to kickstart everything. It's not surprising with how they've done this in recent years for recent model launches, but for $62,000 basically, you can now pre-order your new Tesla Model Y L. This will be available starting in October of this year, so we're only a few months away. However, as usual, this comes with that increased price tag and is loaded with features and options that I want to go over for you guys today. First things first, like I said, it does start at $61,990, and it does include 1 year of FSD supervised, 1 year of supercharging, 1 year of premium connectivity, plus your choice of any exterior paint color, interior color, and wheel options at no additional cost. Other launch series exclusives are you get custom badging, floor mats, puddle lights, suede dash inserts, and still plates. You get 325 miles of range and a 0 to 60 with 4.4 seconds. This all comes with an 88 kilowatt hour battery pack, 6 exterior paint options: stealth gray, diamond black, pearl white, marine blue, ultra red, and cosmic silver, which is now new in the US. 2 interior color options being black and zen gray. 2 active air-cooled wireless phone chargers in the front of the vehicle. This does come with V2L or vehicle to load, including the adapter out of the box, but no power share. You do have choices of 2 wheel sizes, the 19-inch ones, which give you 325 miles of range, and 20-inch rims with 320 miles of range with that. You do have that all-new, all-black headliner, that third row 6-seat layout. The front seats are powered with thigh extenders, heated and ventilated seats, and adjustable headrests. The second row do have captain's chairs, electric lifting armrests, ventilated and heating seats, electric folding, and additional air vents in the B-pillar. And in that new third row seats, you get heated, electric folding, cup holders, and dedicated air vents in the C-pillar with 2 LED lights in the ceiling. This is 7 inches longer than the Model Y, with its length being 196 inches. The curb weight is 4,600 pounds. You have total storage about 98 cubic feet, a 16-inch center screen, and an 8-inch second row screen, 250 kilowatt peak supercharging speeds, 18 subs with 1 subwoofer. The second row and third row seats fold completely flat, so you are getting a massive amount of cargo space, 12-volt outlet in the rear area. In the trunk, you get the second generation of their suspension system equipped with continuous variable damping. Your typical 8 cameras, including the front bumper camera with a washer now, and RGB ambient lights, silver coated glass roof for better heat rejection as we've seen recently, 360-degree acoustic glass, HEPA air filtration, which is the same on the smaller Model Y. And you can see they didn't hold back with this. You are getting a lot of car, even in the launch edition, for only $62,000. I say only, that's still a significant increase over a regular base, so to speak, Model Y. But if you need that third row, this could be the way to go. I'll throw that affiliate link up down below if you plan to pick one of these up. I greatly appreciate it if you use it. If you use it. However, if you can wait and be patient a few extra months, we know Tesla will then take the wraps off of the basic Model Y L, so you don't have to pay for all these other upcharges that you might not want, and that could be the better way to go about this. Again, if you want to be first, you got to pay to play, as Tesla has typically done recently. But again, if you don't care, if you can wait, this could be the way to go. I currently have a 2026 Model Y. I would really love to get the Model Y L simply for the extended wheelbase, for that extra storage. It's 100% not needed, but I think it will be a great seller here in the US, especially with the continuation or discontinuation of the Model Y or Model X, now having this Model Y L replace it. But I'm just one person. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Are you excited that it's finally here? Tesla teased it yesterday saying it was a long weekend on their X account, and this is kind of what was alluded to. So there we are. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.